Hey, how's it going everybody? Eamon here. In this demonstration video I'm going to show you how to build a project using MacrosEngine and then compile it to executable. So in this demonstration video, first one, actually there's two demonstration video I'm going to build for the sake of this demo. The first project, we're going to build a small WordPress article poster. So first thing is just we go and create a new project. Call it WordPress poster project. Adds. Then we make sure to change our settings so we don't forget later. Go to project settings and call it WordPress poster. Make sure there's no space. Save to, we're gonna save it to C drive, and we're not gonna pick an icon. We're gonna create a zip package. We're not gonna create an installer. Or let's go ahead and create an installer. Okay. And we're gonna use Chrome browser. Save. Now first thing is we need to design our main form. I'm going to design our user interface, so let's go ahead and create a new form. Add new form. Let's call it WordPress poster main. Add open form designer, so we can start designing our form. Now the user interface is going to be really simple for the sake of this demo. First of all, change this to WordPress poster, and let's add two controls. The text box for the username, this is going to be the username. Change the text to username, and password of our WordPress blog. And drag a password in here. Okay. That's the username and the password. Now let's go ahead and just make everything aligned. Okay, now let's go ahead and change the text box names because it's going to be relevant later. So this is username box and this is password box. Now let's go ahead and add a article title field. There's going to be title here. Okay, let's make it that way. And body. Rich text box here. and let's change this a little bit. It's ugly. So let's make the username and password the same line like this. Okay. So now we're going to create a button to post everything. Set the button here, for example, and click. It's going to be post article. Okay, now let's make this a little bit smaller, and let's make the maximize box to false, and let's make it fixed dialog, so we can't resize the window. It's going to stay as it is. So let's change this to title box, name title box, and this body box. Okay, let's save everything. Save. Now first of all, let's go back and create a task. It's going to be the WordPress poster task. This is the task that we're gonna use to add our WordPress posting logic. Go back here so we can set the trigger, so that we need to set the post article trigger to the task we just created. So then every time a user clicks on this post article, the task is going to be triggered and executed. So click on this button and hit on set trigger. Locate the click event here, click trigger, and then change it to WordPress poster task, and hit OK, and then save, and that's it. I'll go back now. Now let's start creating our WordPress posting logic. Now let's go. I have a small test website here we're going to use, so let's navigate to it. Now I'm going to use the browser built-in tools to create a bot, create a list of tasks fast. So let's right click and navigate to this page, and when we navigate, let's get rid of all these things over here. And first of all, make sure to create an instance before you navigate, otherwise your browser will not launch. Okay, go here, user agent, and let's just leave the user agent as it is. Navigate, and let's fill in the username. Okay, the password, or I think it'd be better to change attributes, to use change attribute here, because sometimes WordPress have JavaScript security that prevents you from filling automatically. So let's just use value, and then go right click on this attribute value and form controls, locate the form, and then go to username box. This is the value of the username box. And same thing, we're going to duplicate this task node, and instead of the log, we're going to copy XPath identifier here, value, and let's use the password box value here, and let's just click on the login button, and let's wait a little bit to be safe. The browser will have a automatic wait, but let's just wait for 2 seconds. Let's log in to the browser so we can continue debugging and creating our logic. It's logging in, and now we're on the admin area. Now the next logical thing is to go directly to the post page. Let's navigate to this automatically, as you can see here, and after we log in, we'll go here. Let's wait. Let's go to a browser wait element. Let's just create a few more elements here. Let's first of all fill in this one, or use change attribute. Yeah, it's better to use change attribute for this example. Change attribute value and title box here, form controls, WordPress poster, and title box here. Delete this one. Let's wait for this to appear. Timeout is 5 seconds. It's in seconds, not in milliseconds, so make sure to put the appropriate value here. Now let's fill in. Let's click on this text. Alright, after you click on it, just wait a little bit to be safe. Just a second. And then let's fill in this. Oh, sorry, let's just use change attribute. It's better to use change attribute. Delete, and let's use body here. Body box, and that's it. Wait a little bit, and let's go ahead and click publish. As you can see, wait a little bit. Actually, let's wait 2 seconds here, and that's about it, I think. Let's try this and see if it works. Now, before you just run the debug mode, make sure to set your main WordPress poster dialog as select as main. So when you hit debug mode, the first window that will appear is this window over here. So make sure to select it to main. Well, I guess we created everything in main. We didn't use the WordPress poster. It's okay, let's go back and change it to main. Post article, set trigger, and hit main here. Okay. Save and save this. Save the project. Debug, and this is a test article. MacrosEngine. Copy and paste the user detail for the blog. And let's run this and see if it works. Should work. Go. The browser got launched. Logging in. Logged in, and it's going to post page. Waiting a few seconds and had an error. Filled in everything and problem went there with the article, but I'm gonna try to fix it and go back, see why it didn't work. So let's go ahead and try to use fill instead of change attribute for the content area. Maybe change attribute didn't work, so let's try fill instead and copy this body. Or we can use also send keys if that didn't work also. Let's delete this one, place it in here, and let's try again. Should work now. Debug, let's fill in again, and username, password, test article number 2, test article number 2, and let's post this, and it should work this time, hopefully. I'm logged in. And going to WordPress poster now page. This is the post page here. Fill the article title and fill the body and publish it. Let's go ahead and compile the project now to an executable. I'll compile. Let's just create a zip file package for now. Skip creating a installer and hit compile. Should start compiling right away and should be over any seconds now. That's it. Let's go to C drive, and this is the compiled. So when you don't set an icon, the default icon of MacrosEngine will be used. Let's run this. Skip iOS for now. And as you can see, everything worked. Let's just put in some dummy things here. So make sure everything works. And as you can see, the article, the browser launched, but we don't have such username, so it's going to be an error. Thank you for watching this small demonstration video, and catch you guys later. Bye bye.